Hi, I'm Greg with IPD, back with another video. Today we're going to talk about the 996 GT3 Mark II Plenum and how it delivers substantial power and torque gains by replacing the factory plastic T intake distributor with our patented cast aluminum Y-design plenum, which requires upgrading the restrictive 76mm factory throttle body with the larger 997 GT3 82mm throttle body. The superior design of the IPD Plenum substantially improves airflow by separating and channeling intake air, reducing turbulence while increasing velocity. Our patented design combined with the larger 82mm throttle body are guaranteed to deliver impressive performance gains to an already impressive driving machine. This proven engine upgrade produces a remarkable 24 wheel horsepower and 20 wheel torque. And being a product of efficiency, net gains are realized throughout both power curves from launch to redline, with peak gains being achieved just past 6,000 RPM. When Porsche developed the 996 GT3 engine, the largest throttle body in their parts bin was the 76mm that was being utilized on the Cayenne Turbo. It wasn't until the 997 GT3 did Porsche finally develop the much needed larger 82mm throttle body. The 997 GT3 82mm throttle body is 7.9% larger in diameter and 16.4% larger in area when compared to the factory's 76mm throttle body. This considerable increase in size delivers measurable increase in overall flow at any and all engine speeds. And unlike turbo engines, bigger is almost always better when it comes to naturally aspirated applications. The 996 GT3 Plenum combined with the 997 GT3 throttle body is guaranteed to elevate the already visceral Porsche GT driving experience to the next level with both stock and highly modified 996 GT3s. As always, all IPD products are bolt-on engine upgrades that come with our industry-leading 100% money-back guarantee if you're not completely satisfied. You can learn more about IPD products and contact us with any questions at ipdplenums.com. Thanks for watching.